Mrs. Karishma, it's 8th March again, it's International Women's Day again, and it's a woman expressing her opinions again. Is this day special? Do we need to celebrate this? We have been celebrating it from past quite a few years. But is this year special? Is 2022 gonna be special? Pandemic has taught us lessons and we all have learned it in our own ways. But have we learned and developed the desired humanity to treat ourselves better, to treat each other better? Did we really change for better? Let's have a look at the recent past. On one hand, we have Indian women's team thrashing the rivals and making a grand entry in ICC Women's World Cup. And on the other hand, we have men thrashing our own women for wearing shorts. We have multiple men being felicitated for empowering women in their own state. But also we have a tattoo artist who was being held for sexually assaulting multiple women. With the substantial turnout of female voters in the state elections, making their confident presence in deciding the fate of the democracy, we also have forces silencing the voice of the woman who wants to exercise their personal choice of wearing hijab. Indeed, we are on a roller coaster of experiences. As a proud woman and a humanist, I call you to break the bias against women, not through feminism or chauvinism or orthodoxism, but through humanism, because we women are human beings too. Those human beings whose potential has not been fully realized yet. And men, what do I say to you? We respect you. We admire you. You are a significant part of our lives, and be that. But we demand a seat at the table, not to snatch away what's yours, but to rightfully claim what's ours, because we deserve it. Trust us, guys. We have a lot to offer, and we are your allies in nation building. And for the amazing women out there, let's engage in fruitful dialogues with men and all others to rise together. Instead of being the dutiful descendants of the regressive practices, let's focus on being the exemplary ancestors for the generations to come. Let's show them that it's not about men or women or LGBTQ and many more. It's about togetherness, that we have come together to empower humanity, of which a woman is a significant part. Happy International Women's Day.